Hi, I'm Darvi. In this video, we are going to talk about Reserve project. Before that, if you love the content, kindly subscribe and hit the thumbs up button because this will help the YouTube algorithm to share to many people and help the channel grow. Now on to the video. Reserve's primary aim is to solve inflation in high inflation countries like Venezuela and Nigeria. And how they are going to solve this is they are going to create a stable coin known as RSV, and it is going to be pegged with US dollar. This is what they said in the initial white paper of 2018. And with this, they are going to deploy it in high inflation countries like Venezuela. So Venezuelans can use this to transact, buy goods or services. You know, Venezuelans is having a tough time because they do not trust their government in the first place, and the government has printed lots of money into the system, and the value of the money is very low, insane level low, right? So they can use RSV. And how they are going to build this stable coin is by Reserve protocol, which is used to stabilize the RSV token. And they are going to create another token called RSR, which is used to back the RSV token. This is where we can make money out of it. So here, carefully, when the price of RSV goes down to 0.95 dollars or so, we can buy RSV by using RSR. So suppose when it's RSV is at $1 mark and it goes below $1 to 0.95, so we can purchase RSV using RSR, and this will build a buying pressure, and hence the price will go to $1 as the demand increases. And you can sell it for $1 and you can make that nice profit. And when the price of RSV goes up above $1, we can buy at 1.05. Now we can buy at $1 and we can sell it for $1.05. So that's how we make money. Investors make money. It gives an arbitrage opportunity. So arbitrages can really profit out of this. And another thing is that when people say cryptocurrencies are used for medium of exchanges, they do not know what they are saying. In high inflation countries, they are used as medium of exchanges. That's why Cardano and many other crypto projects are going to Africa and deploying the blockchain there. Their blockchains are used there, and it's easy to start there too, basically. For Cardano it was tough because the Chinese government is also there. But anyways, and we have seen recently so many people are using Reserve application in Venezuela. So this is getting mass adopted, and that is good for the investor too. Right now the coin price for RSR is 3 rupees. I believe if it's used by everyone, the application and the coin, then the price will be above 100 rupees. Because the coin is the market cap of the coin is only 1 billion, I think below 1 billion. Can easily reach above 100 billion if it is mass adopted. So this is a great chance and opportunity for everyone who is interested in this project. And what I have said as of now is the initial white paper's point of view, but in the 2021 edition it has changed a lot. RSR is no longer used as the governance token, which is RSR was earlier used as a token to vote for making changes in the system, but now it is not used as such. And before there was RSV, as I said earlier, but right now they have dismantled everything and they are using this reserve protocol to create many stable coins, which are helping people to create as many stable coins, and they will put it through a competitive environment where only one stable coin survives in the end. It's an evolutionary process. So in the end we can see a powerful stable coin emerging out of it. But the RSR's arbitrage opportunity may be at stake because this new protocol, means there is a protocol but its updated version has lots of issues from its initial white paper, because in this it is not the RSR that is the governance token. It is decided by the one who creates the stablecoin. The governance token is decided by the stablecoin creator itself. So, but still we can have that arbitrage opportunity. So still arbitrages will make money, and other thing is, if you stake RSR, you can make money out of it too. You can get transaction fees and many other things. If you haven't read the 2021 white paper of reserve protocol, I will put it in the description section. Kindly read it. And very important thing to know about it, about this project, is that it is backed by huge investor money, like Peter Thiel. It's basically the one who created PayPal and Palantir Technologies, and there is Y Combinator, and there is Sam Altman. So many people are looking into this project, and they are looking into it because what the project is going to accomplish is a very big deal for many people. And we know that inflation is going high day by day. Its rate is going high. So people are interested in these kinds of projects because there is an incentive model within the protocol, basically, that helps the investors to make money, at the same time helping many people to live a good life. We know that Venezuelans are suffering, and many people do, and the projects like this will help them. And we have to know one more thing too. It's really competitive. There are other stable coins competing with this project, so we should be careful also, but we should learn. So that's it for today. If you love this content, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. And if you have any comments, put in the comment section. Thank you. Until next time.